Hello folks, welcome to a special unboxing video. We got a special parcel from our good friends Top Collectibles. So this is the first time I am purchasing from them. So to complete my Hot Wheels exotic series, I was a mini series from the main lines from 2016 up to 2026. So we are, I think, less than 10 cars maybe away. So one from 2026, four each from 2016 and 17, and a couple of more here from 19, 20, 21. So today I guess will be completing from 2020 and 2021 if I'm not mistaken. So let's see what we have in this box. It looks like a very neat package. This is not a sponsored video, but they have very good collections. If you're collecting or completing miniseries like me, feel free to check them out in Canada. So first things first, it's a Renault Sport RS. I think this is from 2017. As you can see, very well conditioned card. If you think it's a almost good 10 years old card, it's very good shape. This is one of the cards which I was looking. It's a fantasy card, but I needed this to complete my mini series. So this is Crescendo. If I'm not mistaken, it goes on to my 2021 set. Card number 7. Let me keep it here. I will cross check later on. And another fantasy casting, which is this Electro Silhouette. So no complaints with the cards, man. It's a very good shape. I know these are just fantasy cards. Maybe a lot of us collect this, but I needed this to complete my Hot Wheels exotic miniseries. So this brings very closer for me to completely wrap this up. Almost, I think I'm collecting this for a year now, and from 2016, because Hot Wheels exotic, this miniseries started in 2016. So now we're in very good shape in in completing the full series. I will later on show each and every card when I finish the set, what we have from 2016 till 2021. Anyway, once again, big shout out to Top Collectibles for these awesome 3 cars, which did help me a lot to complete 2 of the years, 2021 and 2020, if I'm not mistaken, or 2019. I need to check, but yeah. So that wraps up the video. So we completed 2021, 2020, one piece from 2016 as well. And yeah, let me know if you like any of the Hot Wheels exotic cars except for these beauties. Which are the most favorite cars for you in this miniseries? Thank you. See you around.